Hello, children. Welcome to Curious Study. So it's story time. Let's read the story of the thirsty crow. In a spell of dry weather, when the birds could find very little water to drink, a thirsty crow found a jar with a little water in it. But the jar was high and had a narrow neck, and no matter how he tried, the crow could not reach the water. The poor crow felt as if he will die of thirst. Then an idea came to him. Picking up some small stones, he dropped them into the jar one by one. With each stone, the water rose a little high until at last it was near enough so he could drink. So, the moral of the story is where there is a will, there is a way. So, I hope, children, you must have liked the story. So, children, don't forget to subscribe to watch more fun learning videos. Thank you, children. Bye bye.